In this video, I'll show you how to boost your uTorrent download speed in 2026 with simple tweaks and settings that significantly improve torrent performance. Open uTorrent. Right now, I'm getting 6 Mbps per second. Pause this and go to Option and select Preferences. Go to Connections. Port used for incoming connection. Change this to 10734. 10734 and hit apply to save changes. Go to bandwidth, maximum upload rate, set this to 100 and 0, make this 200 to 2000. Now 50 to 1500, 2 to 25. Select apply to save changes. Then go to general tab. When downloading, checkmark this pre-allocated all files, both checkmark, and then select apply. Then go to advanced, find DHT rate, set this to 2 and select set option. Then type RSS update interval, set this to 20 and then select set option and click on OK and close this uTorrent. Reopen. Show you guys how much the speed increased. Before I got around 6 to 7 Mbps, now I got near to 15 Mbps per second. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.